Actually, I did not start the daycare center. I was the chairman of the first board of directors. But I would have to give credit for the idea to Mona Sparling, who happened to be a member of council at the time, and to Louise Jensen, who operated a daycare in her own home, and she could see the need for it. So I'd have to give credit to those two people for, per se, starting it. And then I happened to be chair of the first board of directors that looked after the operation of it. That was in 1968, and we were the first public daycare center out of Edmonton or Calgary. I can remember when it opened about September 1st in 1968. The then Minister of Health, Ray Speaker, who you probably know, came down, and I remember asking him for some advice. And he said, look, you're the first one outside of Edmonton or Calgary. You find out what works and you tell us. There were other hurdles, and that was the attitude of the community. And at that time, there was a lot of opposition to the idea of a public daycare center because people thought that it might encourage women to work outside their homes, which was deemed to be a bad thing and the cause of juvenile delinquents and all sorts of bad things. The way we convinced the community that it would be okay is that we were able to point out that there were a number of mothers who had no option but to seek employment outside their homes in order to support their families. And we were able to successfully sell that idea and get it off the ground. And now, of course, public opinion has swung around completely, where we are demanding that every child have a space at a daycare center. I've exaggerated a little on that.